Hey everyone, I am Monika Singh and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to achieve beautiful heatless curls using just a pair of socks or a sock. It's a simple and damage-free method. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, make sure your hair is slightly damp or use a spray bottle to damp your hair. This will help the curls set better. And for this tutorial, you need a long socks, claw clips and scrunchies or hair ties. Before we start curling, we need to detangle our hair, so I'm combing my hair perfectly, and do not forget to do center partition of your hair. After combing, I'm dividing my hair into two sections. Now take a sock and place it like that. I'm securing the sock with claw clips so the sock will maintain grip. Now let's take a small section of your hair and roll it up like that. Continue rolling until you reach the end. The tighter you roll it, the tighter the curls will be. Now I am holding the end tightly and repeating the same step with another section. Remember, the size of the sections will determine the size of the curls. Longer sections will result in looser curls, while smaller sections will give you the tighter curls. So I'm done with all the sections. Now I'm securing the end by tying a hairpin. To make it more secure, use claw clip like that. And now I will repeat the same process on the other side. And there you have it. I'm all done with my rolling process. Now all I need to do is wait for some hours, or you can leave the socks in overnight for best results. Now finally I'm opening my curls after 45 minutes. OMG, look at the curls. They can also give best results in 45 minutes. So if you are short on time, keep it for 30 to 45 minutes only. Can you guys see the result? The curls are looking so beautiful. Heatless sock curls are a fantastic way to achieve gorgeous curls without any heat damage. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more hair care tips and hacks. See you next time. Bye.